Hey everybody! I am going to do a swipe today, but a puddle pour swipe. So I'm going to use copper, Payne's Gray, self-mix, some kind of dark blue, and a self-mixed, it's kind of peachy pink. I can't remember what I made, or what I mixed it all with, actually. Alright, so I'm first going to flood the canvas with my white, the Dutch Boy and Floetrol and water. I'm going to make a very tiny cup. I think that's all I should need. And treadmill silicone. Just a little bit in there. And I'm going to stir it on up. And set it aside. This is MDF, medium density fiberboard. I'm not crazy about, I did really like these angles, but I think I like the rounded ones better. But I have a whole bunch of this now, so, and I'm out of canvases. So this is what we're getting, folks. I do like them though, in the fact that they have some advantages, like the black and white painting I made a few days ago. I am still working on getting the edges, doing the magenta. But I didn't tape it, so, I didn't physically tape when I painted the magenta. So now there's some white spots that I'm going to have to touch up. But it looks pretty cool so far. And I may then go in, how much is on here? I may go in and, is there? Okay, that's my imagination. I may go in and add some other colors to the pour, which I don't usually, well, never do. But now with the sides pink, it looks like it just needs something. Alright, I poured way too much paint. Way too much paint. No biggie. I'm going to torch this since I had shook the paint. There's all these little air bubbles. Put a lid on that. Also, I have to keep this. It ends up showing the edges, which I then have to keep touching up. I think I'm going to use a paper towel for this swipe as well. Oh, I think there was a metallic fuchsia in here. I think it was actually, oh gosh, can't think of, jacquard maybe. I don't know if I've ever done a puddle pour swipe. We shall see. for the white with the silicone. Yikes! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! No! Don't drop off! I wish I hadn't done that last little bit. Maybe if I... Well, that just made it worse. May have done way too much and hidden all the cool colors. We shall see. Because you could see all that gold there, or copper there for a while. But I don't know if it will still show. Let's see. Torch is stuck, so hang on a second. Ooh-wee! That's pretty cool. Paint is here. Oh, barely any. I thought I have way too much. I just don't like how they're ending so abruptly. Yeah, it just drips. It's such a sharp edge that it leaves you able to see. As I'm touching this up, I will move it this way and you can get a different view of it. And this one will be resined because I don't like the look of the MDF with varnish. I always resin the MDF. I'm kind of sad that when I did those extra swipes, it wiped out a lot of the color. I should have started with the folded over paper towel because it was thicker and had more weight. You got a whole bunch of color through here, but the copper really did kind of disappear. Back in line. It's kind of weird that that one is, well, I got darker here, and then here. So it kind of goes. I love doing swipes. I think they're so much fun. Oh shoot, my finger, my paint was dirty. I almost want to redo this one, but I don't want to wipe this. Nah, I'm leaving it. Colors are so pretty. I really wasn't sure what those colors would do together. You can see all the silicone divots. Those will dry just fine though. There it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.